In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from Robinhood to your bank account. A lot of people ask about this because the option isn't super obvious. Probably since Robinhood is primarily designed for investing in stocks, crypto, and other assets rather than for cash withdrawals. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get your money safely and quickly. First, open your Robinhood app and make sure you're logged in. On the main screen, you'll see your total account value and a section called Buying Power. This shows the amount of money you can immediately withdraw. Keep in mind, if you recently sold a stock, the funds might be on a short hold and may not be fully available yet. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This opens the account menu where you'll find several options, but the one we need is Transfers. Tap on Transfers, which is where Robinhood hides the feature to move your money to your bank account. On the Transfers screen, you'll see your withdrawable cash. This is the money you can send to your bank right away. Make sure your bank account is linked. If you haven't linked a bank yet, Robinhood will prompt you to do so. Just follow the instructions to securely connect your bank account. Once your bank account is linked, tap on Transfer Money. Then select Transfer from Brokerage or Withdraw from Account, depending on your app version. This tells Robinhood you want to withdraw the funds from your brokerage balance. Next, choose the bank account where you want to send the money. If you have multiple accounts linked, make sure to pick the correct one. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. For example, if your withdrawable cash is $17.74, type in 17.74. Once the amount is entered, tap Review. Robinhood will show a summary confirming how much will be deducted from your account and sent to your bank. It will also mention that the transfer can take up to 5 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. Finally, tap Submit or Transfer to complete the process. You'll see a confirmation that your withdrawal has been initiated. Your withdrawable cash should now update to 0, and you can return to the home screen to check that your buying power reflects the transfer in progress. That's it! You've successfully transferred your money from Robinhood to your bank. Remember, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your bank account, so be patient and keep an eye on your bank notifications. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.